Hello. So this was about your throat pain, right? Throat pain, right? Then container, it should be dispensed in airtight colored fluted bottle with a stopper for easily distinguish from the internal used preparation, right? Then labeling, you should be label. It is very necessary to apply a label like a for external use only, and it should be stored in a airtight container in a cool place, right? So next, move toward the liquid to be installed into body cavity, right? Liquid to be instilled into body cavities means body cavities means there is a various kind of body cavities in our body, that is ear, nose, right? So this preparation are like douches, ear drop, nozzle drop, right? Then preparation instilled into body cavities like monophasic liquid preparation for mint for dosage form meant for external use, that is body cavities, right? So start with the first preparation over douches. It is a douches. It is a medicated liquid preparation used to rinse the body cavities, that is vaginal cavities, and also called as a irrigation solution, also called as a douches, also called as a irrigation solution, right? It is a this preparation used for the washing out the or rinse out the body cavities, right? Like vaginal cavities, okay, means for the washing purpose. If a body cavity get any infection, right, that time most of the time douches or irrigation solution are used. Also used to irrigate other body cavities such as eyes, ear, nasal, right? Means rather than vaginal cavities, also it is used for clean out the eyes also one of the cavity of our body, then ear, then nasal or nose, our nose. These kind of cavities are clean out with the help of douches or irrigation solution, right? Then it helps to clean out the or remove the foreign particles discharged from them. Means if our eyes, ear, nasal are discharged some uh, defect, some unwanted materials, or some, if it get any foreign particles, that time we need to wash out the our cavities, right? And that with the help of irrigation solution or douches. Actually douches dispense in a bottle or powder or concentration solution form with direction that dissolve it in a warm water before administration. Means our douches are available in solution form, tablet form, or powder form. Means it is available in three kind of form: tablet, powder, and concentrated solution. If it is a powder or a tablet form, that time there is one direction for it, that is it dissolve first in a warm water before administration. Means first whenever we are using the tablet or powder form of douches, that time it is very necessary to dissolve it in warm water before administration, right? In case of solution, there is no need to uh, sorry, in case of solution also there is a dilution very important for that, right? And dilution with the warm water, right, before administration, it is a given, this instruction given by the pharmacist or doctor to the patient. And vaginal douches should be sterile, right? Should be sterile. If douch is used for eyes or ear and nasal cavity, that time it is not necessary to be sterile it. But in case of vaginal douches, that time it is very necessary to, it should be sterile, right? That's why vaginal douches should be sterile. Then some properties, means some properties of douches, that is cleansing agent, right? means isotonic NaOH solution, right? For the cleansing purpose or as a cleansing agent, there is a isotonic NaCl solution are used, right? Isotonic means are the solution which is compatible with our blood, right? Or has the same tone at tonicity like our blood, and that tonicity achieved by the NaCl solution, that is 0.9% weight by volume of solution. It is a isotonic solution of NaCl which is tolerated by our blood or our lacrimal secretion, right? So it act as a isotonic NaCl solution act as a cleansing agent, right? Then some antiseptic, right? Mercury chloride with a concentration 0.001%. Then potassium permanganate with a concentration 0.0025%, right? Mercury chloride and potassium permanganate, it used as a antiseptic, right? Used as a antiseptic with this concentration 0.01% and 0.001% with and 0.0025%. Then if in case of astringent action, alum 1%. Alum is also astringent agent, right? Alum means in our Marathi language it is called as a turti, right? 1% turti, that is a astringent. It has a astringent property. I think you know that. I think you studied in your chemistry chapter, chemistry subject, right? Then astringent, that is a alum 1%. Then Douches is administered by using Douch can, is a rigid polyvinyl chloride container, right? Means Douches are administered with the help of one kind of device, right? Means it is called as a Douches can. Douches can, it is a rigid polyvinyl chloride container. Mean after Douches are if Douches present in given in tablet form or capsule form, that time it is firstly it is dissolved in warm water. After that it fill into a Douches can, right? Douches can for the administration purpose, right? And that can are made up of polyvinyl chloride container, right? Are made up of polyvinyl chloride, right? This Douches can is used for the administration of Douches in the cavities, right? A rubber tube of about 2 meter long along with the nozzle is attached with it. Means along this Douches can are filled with a 2 meter long rubber tube, right? With a Douches can are attached with a 2 meter long rubber tube, and that has a nozzle. That tube has a nozzle. This device can are generally used for administration the Douches in into body cavities, right? तो जो Douches होता है वो डिज़ोल्व करने के बाद या फिर वार्म वाटर में उसका जो सॉल्यूशन होता है वो Douches कैन आता है एक, ठीक है? तो वो कैन में उससे फिल करना रहता है, एंड देन एक रबर ट्यूब रहता है, जनरली 2 meter लॉन्ग रहता है उसका, और उसके साथ कुछ एक नैजल भी अटैच होता है. तो उससे अटैच करने के बाद फिर बॉडी में इंसर्ट करके उसे एडमिनिस्ट्रेट किया जाता है और रिंस किया जाता है जो बॉडी कैविटी है, ठीक है? देन जनरली 1 to 2 meter of 2 liter of solution used as a Douches. Generally 1 to 2 liter of solution used as a Douches. Means in a large volume the Douches are prepared, Douchet solution are prepared for cleansing purpose or cavities, right? So the volume of solution which is 1 to 2 liter, right? So this is the all some properties of our Douches, right? Then afterward, that is a container supplied in a narrow mouthed colored fluted bottle, right? That Douches are supplied with a narrow mouthed colored fluted bottle. मतलब जो उसका जो बॉटल होता है उसका जो माउथ होता है नैरो होता है बहुत, ठीक है? नैरो होने की वजह, नैरो ट्यूब होता है एक, तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है वो अच्छे से जो कैविटीज़ है उसमें, बॉडी कैविटीज़ है उसमें इंसर्ट हो सकता है और इजीली इंसर्ट हो सके और इजीली रिमूव हो सके, इसकी वजह से एक नैरो माउथेड कलर फ्लूटेड बॉटल में उसे डिस्पेंस किया जाता है. Then labeling, it is stated that the for external use only, not for internal use. It is used for external use. It is very important to mention the statement on the label, right? Then our storage, then should be stored in a cool place, right? Always, that is all kind of liquid preparation should be used stored in or keep in a cool place, right? And try to keep away from high temperature or hot temperature, right? So it is very necessary to keep in cool place. You know what that is chances of happening any degradation of medicament, right? If it come in contact with hot zone or hot temperature, right? Then it was all about the or Douches preparation irrigation solution. It is also called as irrigation solution, basically used for the washing off or rinsing out the vaginal cavities or remove the foreign particles and discharge from them, right? So that purpose Douches are generally used. 1 to 2 liter solution are basically used for washing purpose, right? It has a 2-meter long tube. With the help of this tube solutioner in solutioner introduction, right? Then afterward, that is a nasal drop, right? It is a solution of drop. It instilled into the ear with the help of drop. Its name itself suggests that ear drop means that particular preparation are used for ear cavity, right? Ear cavity. And this ear drop are instilled into the ear cavity, right? With the help of proper drop, right? With the help of dropper, with the help of dropper we can instill the ear drop into ear cavity, right? Then prepared by means ingredient, like generally the ear drop are prepared with water, glycerin, propylene glycol, then or dilute alcohol or dilute alcohol. Means basically our ear drop contain, rather than our active drug, this kind of additives, either water, glycerin, propylene glycol or dilute alcohol, right? This preparation are used for cleansing the ear, softening the waxes and treat mild infection. If waxes are hardened or softened, if ear produce any kind of waxes, right, that time also for softening purpose of waxes or some cleansing purpose of ear, that time also ear drop are used. And also in case of some mild infection, there is also various cases are happening, that is ear infection. That time also doctor suggests the ear drops, right? Some various kind of antibiotics are dispensed in the ear drop form, right, for treating the mild ear infection. Then container, dispense in a colored fluted glass plastic container with a dropper in the cap, right? I mean on the it is also dispensed the fluted plastic either in glass bottle or glass container or plastic container. Generally nowadays no glass container are not used. Generally commonly plastic container are used, and that container fitted with on dropper on its cap, right? Then labeling, it stated that labeling and storage, it stated that for external use only and store in cool place. It is external use preparation, that's why it is very necessary to mention the this particular statement on the labeling, right? And during the storage, it should be stored in a cool place, right? It should be stored in a cool place. Always it is recommended for keeping it at in a cool place, right, or low temperature, not in freeze, but it is kept in a keep in a room temperature, right? So basically generally the plastic container are used, right? Plastic container, I think you are familiar with this preparation, right? So I think you are better understand, right? So it was about all about their preparation which is instilled into our body cavities, right? There is a one